Hey guys, this is your boy JT, and in this video version of the README file, I want to show you how the solution works. So, you know how you can have certain keys not working on your keyboard, like R and Y in my case. And if I want to type something like write or U, it's going to be like a very tedious process, like imagine using the one screen keyboard for something as simple as just a simple letter like X, for example. I remember one of you was saying you have an issue with X. Yeah, it's kind of tedious, like always having that thing hovering around, and yeah, opening multiple applications, you're trying to type something, and yeah, so I created this script called typing aids. I'm pretty sure I'd rename it to type predict by the time you guys get to it. I'll put the links on GitHub. The only dependencies required are AutoHotkey version 1, and everything's going to be in there. The README file is already included, so the setup won't be an issue. So in a case where I want to type something like and, for example, and N and D, and working on my keyboard, so I can just type A, and I'm going to get some suggestions on the left. It's more like a prompt. Let's just can I call it a prompt? I'll just call it a box for now. So yeah, I'll just type A, and the suggestions are going to come up. So you can choose from the suggestions over there, provided that the number keys are working on your keyboard. This solution, I don't know, it can help you keep up. If you go like 40 words per second, you can even do all 20 words per second, which is okay, as opposed to the whole concept of you opening, on-screen keyboard just to just to get one letter. So yeah, and the cool part about this solution is it's not just based on the first or second letter. You can actually type in a case where I want to type write, for example, I can just type IGH or IG, and it will bring up a suggestion for write. I don't always have to. It's like when you're trying to find the file and you start it from the middle, it's kind of hard to actually find that file unless you get the full name properly. But this doesn't apply to this guy. Yeah, the only downside to this guy which I've seen is, or to this solution which I've seen is, you won't be able to use your number keys when, yeah, the script is running. So the only solution is just to close the script when you want to, start using numbers. But if you're typing like social media, you're having a conversation with ChatGPT or something like that, it's a pretty efficient solution. So I hope you guys can check it out. I'll leave the link for GitHub in the description. And if you have any inquiries, I'd appreciate if you hit me up so that we can further improve this project.